Hi, this is Joey from Group 5. In this video, we'll be walking you through the business process, decision makers' needs, and how to utilize the cube in reports. Next is Elise, who will be covering the business process.
With today's market of print media reaching a high level of struggle and competition, the newspaper company needs a BI system that will make the customer service processes more efficient. This process will enable the users to utilize key performance measures such as customer satisfaction and subscription retention to make decisions and analyze overall customer satisfaction. There are 3 different measurement events our system includes: when a subscriber fills out a survey, when a subscriber calls in a complaint, and when a subscriber renews or cancels a subscription. The business has a survey process in which customers respond to a series of questions which create the customer satisfaction index. As part of our customer service, customers can call in to express issues about their subscription and also allows customers to renew or cancel a subscription. The 3 of these measures combined allow for the user to view the correlation of customer satisfaction to the retention rate of subscribers.
Hi, I'm John Riffholm, and I will be covering the decision makers' needs. In our cube, we had 3 different fact tables that we will be pulling our decision maker needs from. The first one will be in the customer service measures. From there, we will pull out the customer complaints. This will track things like complaint calls for not receiving their paper or any other issues that they have with the delivery of their paper. This will be displayed as a number. The next table that we'll pull the decision makers' needs from is the customer satisfaction table. From there, we have the customer satisfaction index, and this will be a measure of the average of the customer's survey responses. This will also be displayed as a number. The final table that we're going to pull our decision maker needs from is the subscription table. From here, we have several different facts that we'll be monitoring. This will measure count facts, counting the amount of subscriptions, counting the amount of retention from our current subscribers, and then also calculating the turnover. So next we have Omar, and he will be explaining the cube.
Hi there, mine is Omar, and I will be guiding you through our analysis services cube. To access this cube, you must go into the SQL Server Management Studio and enter the correct credentials to be able to log into this service. That includes having the appropriate Windows authentication as long as with the server name. From there, you'll arrive at our browser page. From here, you'll be able to access the cube and access the different measures and dimensions for our corresponding data sets. I'll be guiding you through each of the fact tables that we've created and give you some sample data to look at, as well as cover each dimension and see what we can do with this information. Calculated average customer service index, we can drill it down by each dimension. So let's say that our district manager wants to look at our customer service per region that they each manage in. So from here, we'll drag and drop the region dimension into the browser to further look at this data. We'll drag and drop the hierarchy for dim region. From here, we could drill down to each zip code's corresponding region ID. You can see the different measures that each region has, but this information could be better used if we added the time dimension. So we'll open up district time and we'll be able to look at these measures over a calculated time. We'll be able to break it down by clicking on the plus signs to show quarter and also to show months. Now we'll show our customer service fact table. This includes the number of complaints that have been called in, and this information is vital for customer service as well, to describe each of our products' likelihood that it's liked. So we'll drag and drop this measure. Dragging the measure alone shows the number of complaints total, but if we further want to delve into the information, we'll access different dimensions. So we'll close these up and we'll look at the number of complaints per product. We'll drag and drop the hierarchy for dim product, and we'll be able to see whether it's a weekday paper, and we'll also be able to see which paper it is. So we can see from this information the number of complaints that we have for each subscription type of paper. Now let's add a time dimension. For this, we'll need to look at dim customer service time. We'll open up dim customer service time and add the hierarchy. Here the hierarchy shows each types of dimensions. Yet again, we can drill down from year into quarter and then into month. Finally, we'll look at subscription fact. This accounts for every type of subscription that has been either renewed or canceled. So we'll open up this measurement. We have sales and subscription count. Subscription count will let us know how many cancels or renewals there have been. This shows the number of subscriptions that have been renewed or canceled. To better make use of this information, we'll use dim subtype to let us know if how many subscriptions have been renewed or canceled. When we drag and drop dim subtype, we could see whether a subscription was canceled or renewed. We can also drop in a hierarchy such as product ID to understand which products have been canceled or renewed. We can also do a time to see throughout which times a product was canceled or renewed using dim subscription time. Yet again, we can drill down by year, quarter, and month. To clear the results, all you have to do is
So now we'll look at reporting services. To log in, select your reporting services account online via the intranet and enter the correct credentials. From here, you'll see the folders in which you can access the reports. For ours, we'll choose KJ31. Then we'll choose Group 5. You can see the different folders here that contain our reports. We have various reports set up right now, and we'll go through each one of them. First of all, we'll go through our report manager, complaints by region. This will show you the number of complaints per region over a series of time. You can see the different colors represent the different regions. Next, we'll open up the District Manager report. Here we can see the calculated average customer service index by region, and then we can drill down by date as shown. Each district has its own report, and you can tell by the top header stating each region name. Next, we'll show subscription information. This report shows a bar graph of the different products and the amount of subscriptions each product has. Also included is a sub-report that states more detailed information on each product. We can see that each page contains different information for the different newspapers that we carry, including Seattle Times, the Tri-Cities Herald, the Yakima Herald, and others as well. We hope this reporting services accommodates to each decision maker that you have provided information of us with.
Hi, this is Matt, and we wanted to thank you for listening as Elise outlined the business process, as John explained the decision maker's needs, and Omar demonstrated how to effectively utilize the cube and reports. I hope you found this video useful in understanding how we design the cube and how to use the cube as well.